Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add video transitions in Filmora editor. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel to stay updated. So here I have 3 videos added to media in Filmora. I have added these 3 videos to the timeline below here. Now if I play these videos, you'll see that they switch immediately from one to the next because we currently have no video transitions here. Okay, and if you want to add video transitions, what you have to do is just navigate here to transitions and then pick the transition that you want. So let's say I'm going to take this dissolve transition, drag and position it in between 2 videos like this. And let's add another one here. Let's say this glitch blocks. Okay, drag and drop it in between these 2 videos. And now if I play the clips again, so this is our dissolve transition, and now this one is going to be the glitch transition, which looks a bit more futuristic. Okay, now if you also select the transition, navigate here on the top right, you can adjust the duration. So if I just drag it towards the right, I increase the duration. If I drag it to the left, it's reducing the duration. So now if I reduce the duration to 105, that should transition a bit quicker. Okay, and this is it guys. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial.